Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Bernadette Reyes. I'm from Quezon City, Philippines. I'm 26 years old, happy married, and blessed with one child, age of 3. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. Took up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. My hobbies are cooking, playing badminton, reading books, and listening to music. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. I have served 4 members of the family, including 2 children, ages of 15 and 3 years old. My duties are taking care of the 2 kids, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, ironing, cleaning the house, and grocery shopping, and many more. I have lots of experience also taking care of newborn baby, toddler, and children. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to have savings for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm hoping and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.